Stop wasting time on content marketing until you understand this one truth. Most people spend weeks creating content that gets zero results. But the problem isn't the content itself, it's what you're missing before you hit publish. And if you fix this one thing, your content can actually bring you leads, sales, and real growth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hassan, and here we talk about digital marketing strategies that actually work. If you're tired of posting content that gets ignored, then stay till the end, because I'll break down the exact mindset and strategy you need to make your content marketing powerful. Here's the harsh truth. Content marketing isn't about how much you post, it's about why and who you're posting for. Most beginners jump in, make random posts, write random blogs, upload random videos, and hope it works. But hope is not a strategy. Without a clear purpose, your content is just noise in a crowded feed. If your ideal buyer doesn't stop, click, and feel understood, your content isn't marketing, it's just content. Every winning content strategy starts with one simple question. What exact problem am I helping my audience solve? Before writing a caption, recording a video, or designing a post, ask yourself, who is this content for? What pain point does it target? What next step do I want them to take? The best marketers reverse engineer their content from the action they want people to take. That's how content turns into leads, and leads turn into sales. Here's a simple acid test I use. I ask myself, if my ideal buyer solved this specific problem today with this content, would they immediately want the next logical step I offer? If the answer isn't a big yes, I scrap it. Because great content doesn't just educate, it creates demand for your solution. Let me give you a quick 3-step framework to fix this fast. 1. Identify the pain, know exactly what your audience struggles with. 2. Create the bridge. Craft content that solves part of the problem, not all of it. 3. Offer the next step, a call to action that naturally moves them closer to your product or service. Simple, focused, strategic. So stop wasting time creating content just for the sake of it. Start creating content with a purpose, a strategy, and watch your engagement and conversions grow. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what topic you want next. And remember, strategy always comes before content. Content strategy is not enough if your content isn't ranking. Watch this video if you want to rank your content or website. I'll see you in the video.